Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farouk Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 13, exercise 13B, part number 2, book T3, geometrical properties of a circle. This exercise have been divided into two parts. Part number 1 is completed. Today we will discuss part number 2. So starting from question number 4. In question number 1, in a diagram, O is the center of a circle. Find PQD, and in B part PQA, and in C part QPB. So since you can see here APBQ is a parallelogram. Here you can see that APQB is a parallelogram. Here in this angle is given to us, that is 38 degree. So we have to find, that is, you can see that APBQ is a parallelogram. So we can say that it is a parallelogram. So that's why we can say that so in parallelogram we can say that PAB angle must be equal to the ABQ. So this angle must be equal, and ABQ angle must be equal to the 38 degree, which is given to us. That is the reason. That is angle O, you can see from the given diagram, this must be equal to the 90, and angle B must be equal to the 38 as it is given to us. So the O, therefore OQB must be equal to the sum of interior angle is 180. So 180 minus Q minus B. So if I subtract these two angles, so you will get the angle OQB. So after subtraction, you can see that, or you can write as, so if it is a problem to study it, so without this you can say that in part number 1 we have to find the angle PQB. So in a easiest way I can write as, so you can find PQB 180 minus 90 degree minus 38, because the sum of interior angle must be equal to this. So I make a direct subtraction, that is equal to the 52 degrees. So your first angle, that is PQB, is equal to 52. So that is your first part. Now second part is PQA. Once again, that is equal to the AQB minus, this angle will be minus from PQB. So after subtraction, you will get 90 minus 52, just we have calculated, so you will get 38 degree. So that is your third part. Now coming to the, that is your second part. Coming to the third part of the same question, you can see so third part is that is QPB. We have to find this, that is equal to, once again, 180 minus that is PBQ. So this angle will be minus, that is equal to PBQ, and minus subtracted minus PQ, that is your Q angle B. So putting the values, so 180, sum of interior 180, so that is your, that is B angle is, that is your 90 degree, and minus, that is your 90 minus 38, so that is your, this angle is equal to the 52. So that is a PBQ 90, and another is PQB PQB. So 90 minus this angle, you will get this angle. So what is, that is equal to the 52 degree. So you can say that so after subtraction you will get 38 degree. So that is your result, that is QBB angle. So that is your result. Now coming to the question number 5. Question number 5. You can see the diagram here. That is a different type of two types of triangles are given, one triangle and another second triangle you can see in red color. So it means in this diagram we have to find the PQR if we read the statement of the question. So we can say that X be the point where the angle bisects each other. So X, we can say that this one is your X. So the A, so it should be noted that angle A is equal to 50 degree. It is given to us. So it means angle B is also given, that is 70 degree, and C is 60 degree. So first of all, in angle in triangle AXC, so the AXC angle must be equal to sum of interior angle must be so subtracted, that is 25 degree minus 30 degree. So that is equal to 125 degree. How can? Because this one, so we need the half. So this implies that half angle A is equal to 25 degree. Similarly, half B is equal to 35, and half C is equal to 30 degree. So that's why we used here, because it is a central point, so half, so here is the half distances, so that's why we have used here AX. So 125 is your similarly the 120. So as therefore, so we need the half AXC, therefore half AXC is equal to 125 divided by 2, so you will get 62.5. So similarly, half RQP is equal to 180 minus 90 degree, that is equal to minus 62.5 degree. Just we have calculated, we have to use here, so that is equal to 27.5 degree. So if you see the configuration carefully, you will come to this conclusion that still you have to calculate more things. For example, the RQP is equal to this 27.5 must be multiplied by 2, because it is the twice, so it will give you 55 degree. Similarly, now so similarly you can see that the in triangle AXB, now coming to the another triangle, we are going to consider three types of triangle in AXB, that is AXB. Once again, the sum of interior 180, so 25 minus 35, so you will get 120 degree by the same methodology. So you need half AXB, that is your AXB, so half will be 120 divided by 2, you will get 60 degree. So half QRP, that is 180, once again by the same methodology, repeated the same steps as in your first part, 60, you will get 30 degree. So we can say that Q, that is your half. So if you need the QRP, So multiplying by cross multiplication, therefore the QRP must be equal to 30 multiplied by 2, you will get 60 degree. So similarly, now triangle PQR, because here you can see three types of triangle very much clear is seen here. So each and every triangle, so in triangle PQR, that is angle P is equal to 180 degree minus Q minus R. So these angles should be subtracted. So 180, Q is 55 degree, just we have calculated 60 degree. So after subtraction you will get 65. So you have calculated the angle P. So that is the result. Now coming to the question number 6. In question number 6, once again the geometrical properties you should recall in your mind. Once again you can see, since AB is a diameter, you can see in a circle, so ACB must be equal to the 90 degree. So angle subtended by diameter in a semicircle, that is, it is your circle, and the angle subtended in a semicircle. So you can see that is ABC is equal to 180 degree minus BAC minus ACB. So you will get 180 degree minus 35 degree minus 90 degree, and it will give you 55 degree. That is your ABC. So this is the deduced result. So in second, you can see it is your type of in which ADC, that is ADC. In this triangle, that is your D, that is your C, that is your ADC. So you will get in this triangle, that is ADC plus ABC is equal to 180. So that's why we need the value of ADC. So you can say that 180 minus ABC, just you have calculated, that is 55 degrees. So it means subtracted, that is minus 55 degree. So ADC, you will get the value of ADC is equal to 180 minus 55, you will get 125 degree. So that is your pure result. Now coming to the question number 7. Question number 7, you can see here, once again you can see, so that is your P, Q, and that is your X point. You can see here in question number 7, once again the angle, this one is your X angle and that one your A angle. So you can see here, that is the same segment angle of the same segment. So you can say that BXQ is equal to BAQ. So that is your angle. So it means BXQ is equal to 24 degree, and in triangle BPQ is equal to PQB is equal to 90 degree, and QBX is equal to 90 degree plus 35 degree. If you see here, Q, that is your Q, QBX in this triangle. So 90 plus 35, you will get 125 degree. So therefore you need the value of BQX. That's why 180 minus 125 just you have calculated. So minus 24. Here is your 24. So minus 24 degree, you will get 31 degree. So BQX is your required result is 31 degree. Now coming to the question number 8. In question number 1, same type of diagram is given to you once again. You can see here in question number 8, once again the C and B, you can see that is your B, that is your C of the same segment angles. So as BCD is equal to DAB, so DAB. So you can see that is DAB, which is given to us, that is 16 degree, that is your angle 16 degree. So in triangle ADP, so that is your P point, AD, that is your D point, that is your A point, ADP is in this triangle. ADP is equal to once again 180 minus 25 degree minus 16 degree. So you will get 139 degree, because we have cut this piece here. That is, if we see the diagram, that is that one is your P point, that one your D point, and that one your A point. So that's why 139 degree we have. Similarly, the CDX, now 180 degree minus 139 is equal to 41 degree. So after subtraction, this one is a minus 41 degree. This is 21, 16, cut the piece, and after subtraction you will get CXD, that is equal to 123 degree. That is your CDX. But it should be noted that that is your CDX. But the CDX has CDX is equal to what? That is congruent to AXT, that is AXT. That's why we can say that you can write here a CDX instead, you can write, no problem, you can write AXT. So that is equal to 123 also. So it means both are similar, so that is your required result. Coming to the question number 9. Now question number 9. Once again, find APD. Now okay, we have to find APD. If we read this statement, you can see here, first of all, the same methodology we are using, that is their D and C, that is your D and C, that is your C, that is your D. So angle of the same segment. So you can see that ADB is equal to ACB. So now BCP, if we see the that is your A, that is your P. So BCP is equal to 180 minus 58 degree minus 54 degree, which is given to us 58, 54. You can see the diagram. So you will get 68 degree. So in triangle B, that is your B, P and C. So you can cut the triangle from the diagram. You can see like this, that is 80 degree, that is your P, that is your C, that is your B. So then you can see that in this triangle we cut the piece of a triangle from this given diagram. So you can see here A, P, O, B, P, C, that is equal to 180 degree. So by further simplification, 180 degree minus CBP minus BCP. So if I subtract this, so the given angles are CBP is equal to 80, it is given, and C angle is 68, that is BCP 68. So after subtraction you will get 32. So 32 degree is your required result. Now coming to the question number 10. In question number 10, you can see again a diagram, that is you have to find, if you read the statement, then we have to find the values BHC and BEC. So from the diagram it is clear that OB side is equal to OC, and that is your O, and that is your C. This one is OC, and OB, that is your OB. So in this diagram, so the opposite sides of equal triangle, opposite sides, so OCB is equal to OBC. These are the opposite angles, but the BOC is equal to BOC, that is BOC, that is equal to twice the angle BAC, that is your B, that is your BAC. So twice the BAC. So we have been given that is BAC actually is 62 degree. So you will get 124 degree. Now actually the OCB is equal to 180 degree minus 124 degree, just we have calculated. So divided by 2, you will get 28, because half, this property already we have discussed, that is equal to the half. So in this case you consider this is your given diagram, that is CBE triangle, that is CBE, another triangle you can cut from here. So if you cut the triangle, you can see here further step, because it is a very critical exercise. If you cut the piece of a triangle, you can see here that is your E, C and B. So in this case, in this triangle, you can see that BCA plus CEB plus EBC is equal to 180 degree. So that is your equation number 1. Similarly, that is your in triangle, that is CBE. Now in triangle, another triangle, you can see that is H, that is your H, B and C. So cut the piece of this triangle, that is triangle HBC, HBC, that is your HBC. So when you cut the triangle from given diagram, you can see here in this triangle, once again you can see that is HBC plus BCH plus CHB, that is equal to 180 degree. That is your equation number 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, by adding equation 1 and equation 2, that is C, by adding you will get that is CEB plus BHC plus EBC plus BCA, that is plus HBC plus BCH is equal to 360, because one complete rotation is 360. So by further calculation you can see that is now EBC is equal to OBC is equal to 28 degree, and ECH is equal to OCB is equal to 28. So it means the BCA plus HBC is equal to 180 degree minus 62 degree, that will give you 118 degree, because this value should be put it in equation number 3. So put in equation number 3. So by putting this in equation number 3, you will get that is CEB plus BHC plus 28 plus 118 plus 28, you will get 360 degree. So you need the value of CEB plus BHC, 360 minus 28 minus 28, that is minus 118. So your result will be equal to 186 degree. So that is your required result. Coming to the question number 11. Question number 11. You can see the diagram once again, a difficult part. That is in this diagram. That is your A, D, B, C, that is your O, that is your P. So in this diagram we have to find that is BAD. Okay, we have to find that is BAD. So now the central angle of minor arc, central angle of minor arc is equal to AOC, that is equal to 144, it is given, and central angle of major arc, that is 360 minus 144 degree, that is equal to 216 degree. Similarly, the angle of major arc, therefore ADP, 216 divided by 2, 108. So also by the diagram, that is APC is equal to 145 degree. So it means the ADP is equal to 180 minus 145 degree, you will get 35 degree, that is the supplementary angles. So now coming to the triangle ADP. Now coming to the triangle ADP. In triangle ADP, you can see here that is PAD is equal to 180 degree minus 108 degree minus 35 degree, which will give you 37 degree, but PAD is equal to the BAD. Okay. So that is BAD is equal to the 37 degree. If we cut the piece, here you can see that is cut the piece from here, so that is your P point, that is your D, and that is your A point. So this triangle, we have cut the piece from here, so you can understand easily. So that's why we have to find this angle, so that is your result. Coming to the question number 12. In question number 12, if you read this statement and find the diagram, as you can see the diagram here, that is once again the in triangle, that is ABC, the BAC angle 180 degree minus 43 degree minus 28 degree, you will get 109 degree. So the angle of major arc is that is your 109 is angle of major arc. So the central angle of major arc, central angle of major arc is equal to twice into 109 degree, so you will get 218 degree. Similarly, the minor arc angle will be similarly, so minor arc, therefore minor arc will be 360 minus 218, so you will get 142. So we have calculated the minor arc angle also. Since you can see that the actually the we see from the diagram that is OB side must be equal to the OC, because the radii of the same circle. So that's why we can say that the OBC is equal to OCB. So this angle. Now coming to the another triangle, that is triangle OBC, that is OBC plus BCO plus COB is equal to 180 degree. If we cut the piece, this triangle, that is you can see like this, that is your OBC, so that's why 180, so you will get the value of OBC plus 142 degree give you 180 degree. 2 OBC, because BOC and ABC are equivalent, so because that's why these two are equal, so we can say 2 OBC is equal to 180 minus 142 degree, you will get 38 degree, that is your OBC. But you need the value of OBC, that is equal to the divided by 2, you will get 19 degree. Thus OBA must be equal to the OBA must be equal to the 19 degree plus 45 degree in your given diagram. If you cut the piece, that is your 43 degree, so you will get, because 43 degree is given, that is your A, that is your B, that is your O, that is your C, so 43 degree you should read here, there you will get 62 degree. So it means OCB, the angle C must be equal to 90 degree plus 28 degree, so you will get 47 degree. So these are the results, so that is your required answer. Coming to the question number 13. In question number 13, you can see another diagram, this type of diagram you can see here. In this question, that is, we have to find ABC and ADC. That is ABC and we have to find ADC. We have to find this. So since once again you can see in the diagram that is OA is equal to OC, that is the radii of the same circle, and angle OAC is equal to OCA. So these angles are congruent. So you can see that OCA given to us, that is 24 degree. That is your angle A, B, C, that is your 24. Now take the triangle, that is in triangle OAC. In this triangle you can say that AOC is equal to 180. AOC, if you cut the triangle like as, that is your AOC. So this triangle you will give minus 24 degree, minus 24 degree, you will get 132 degree from the given statement, from the given diagrams, 132. So the minor arc angle will be minor arc. So minor arc, so we have a little space here. Okay, so minor arc, so you can see the minor arc, central angle of minor arc, central angle of minor arc, that will be equal to your AOC angle 132 degree divided by 2, you will get 66 degree. Similarly, central angle of major arc, that is 360 minus 66, that is minus 132 degree, you will get 228 degree. So circumference angle, so major arc will be equal to ADC, therefore the ADC is equal to 228 divided by 2, you will get 114. So that is your result, that is your answer. Coming to the question number 14. You can see in a given diagram, that is question number 14 is question number 14. We have to find ABD and ADB. Once again, ABD and ADB. ABD and ADB we have to find. Our diagram is clear to you, that is as from the diagram, once again by the same methodology, that is one side that is equal to BD. So we can say that OBD is equal to 180 minus 30 degree, because 30 degree is given to you, that is your B, C, that is your O, you will get 150 degree. So OC is equal to OA, this side, so it means OAC is equal to OCA. So now AOC is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree, you will get 150 degree once again by the same methodology. So 150. Now we have to cut both the triangles from the given diagram and see and find the analysis of it. For example, now if you cut the triangle, that is one triangle is that one, you can see C, that is O and A. If you cut the triangle, so we can say that in triangle AOC, so OAC plus ACO plus COA is equal to 180, sum of interior angle is 180. So both are equal, so you can say OAC plus OAC. Uh, 150 degree, 180 degree. So it will give you 2 OAC is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. So you will get 30 degree, but you need the value of OAC. 30 divided by 2, you will get 15 degree. Similarly, if we cut the triangle in triangle ABD, so ABD, in this triangle ADB is equal to 180 degree minus 15 minus 150 degree, so you will get 15 degree. Because you cut the piece that is ADB, so you will get that is like this, D, that is your D, B and your B. So A is in previous, already we have calculated, that is 15, that's why we have put here 15. So 150 is your AOC is your 115, so that's why it is your 150, that is your 15. So subtract by the minus, you will get this angle, that is the angle in this, in bigger triangle if we take this. So 15 is your final result, that is ADB. That is your answer. So by the grace of God, we have completed exercise 13B. I hope that it will be helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.